1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi guys, welcome to this video looking at the link between oxidation, corrosion and reactivity. So by now you should be fairly familiar with the order of reactivity. You should know that potassium is one of the most reactive metals, going down to your less reactive metals like zinc and iron, which are your transition metals, and then going down to your really unreactive ones, which are your silver and your gold. You should also know that the more reactive metals like potassium and sodium are the ones that lose their electrons more easily. Now what that means is they will actually oxidize easily. So when we talk about oxidizing, we mean corroding. So for example, if I take magnesium, leave it out in the air, it will oxidize, it will corrode quite quickly. Your less reactive metals like zinc and iron are the ones that don't lose their electrons as quickly. So they'll still lose them, but it will take a bit more time. This means that they won't oxidize as easily, it will take longer to oxidize, therefore it will take longer to corrode. And finally, your unreactive elements like your silver and your gold, they don't lose electrons, they don't oxidize, and therefore they do not corrode. In summary then, corrosion is when any metal reacts with oxygen and it makes the metal weaker. So for example, magnesium reacting with oxygen, it's oxidizing, it's corrosion to make magnesium oxide. What you do need to know is the difference between corrosion and rusting, however. Now rusting is the term that is only applied to iron, and it's where iron needs water as well as oxygen to corrode. So rusting is the same as corrosion, but it needs water. Corrosion is just where it needs oxygen, and that's every other metal. Okay, let's have a look at a few questions then and see how much you've picked up. So question 1, what is the name of the compound formed when magnesium oxidizes in air? Number 2, describe what happens to the speed of oxidation as metals become more reactive. And number 3, explain why calcium and copper oxidize at different rates. Pause the video, have a go at each of the questions, and we'll see how you've done in a minute. Right, let's see how you've done. Question 1, what is the name of the compound formed when magnesium oxidizes in air? It's going to be your oxide, so magnesium oxide gets you 1 mark. Number 2, describe what happens to the speed of oxidation as metals become more reactive. It gets quicker, faster, and then explain why calcium and copper oxidize at different rates. So you want to talk about reactivity here. So you want to say calcium is more reactive and it will oxidize faster or lose electrons faster. So you get 1 mark for saying it's more reactive, 1 mark for saying it loses electrons faster, and 1 mark for saying it corrodes or oxidizes faster. It's only worth 2 marks, so any 2 of those points will get you 2 out of 2. That's it for this video. There is a review question which says explain the difference in how quickly the following metals corrode, and you've got potassium, iron and gold. So very similar to what we just did for question 3. Have a look through it, let me know how you've done. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click on like down below. You can also subscribe to get more updates. You can visit the website for more information, and you can look at my latest video. Thanks for watching.